Do you want to work at my store, Bruce? Do you want to work at my store?
I'm on my dinner break.
I know, I'm teasing. I have a store and I'm trying it out. You guys, look. This is the new store. Okay. By Hapkey, and I noticed that a woman was trying to. I'm sorry. I'll fix you. I'm sorry. My phone, the magnet on the back, you know, that sticks to the tripod, it decided, well, I'm not gonna stick there anymore. So I took you guys to your falling death, and I'm trying to fix it right now. So give me a minute. Maybe this'll do it. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry about all this. Okay, are we at the cash? I need new magnets, honey. Are we at the cash register? Maybe I better hold it as I move it. Okay, everybody hold still. Don't make any sudden movements. So I thought I'd check this out and I'd review it and see what I thought of the Happy. I don't know if it's Happy, H-A-P-E. Does it Hape? Happy? Happy? I don't know. I bought a lot of their stuff though in my time. So let's see. Here's what you're getting. Okay. You're getting this wand that you have to put batteries in, and it goes. That's the only function that this is gonna do. Okay. Then you're getting like pictures, like cashiers have those stickers, and you're getting the pictures that tell you like how much poultry is a pound and how much these vegetables are a pound and stuff like that, okay? Then you're getting a solar calculator that actually works. 3 minus 3 equals 0, okay? Now, we're gonna pretend we've got like a line of crap coming through here. Oh, hello, sir. This is your self-checkout service. Let me see what you have and I'll scan it. Okay, then you come with these cards. You only get 3. I think you should get like 10, at least 8. Okay, because there were some stickers that I got that I couldn't even put on cards because there wasn't enough room. Okay, so then you look at the food and you pretend that you're buying something like, oh, we need bread, bacon, marmalade, potatoes, oranges, ooh, a Starbucks, and a shrimp. Okay, let me add those up. Those all went through. Okay, what else do you have, sir? Oh, we have to weigh all of these. Green pepper, strawberry, fish, an onion, and 1 mushroom, a pear, 1 set of cherries, and lettuce. Okay, so that was that person's groceries, right? So you open up your drawer and there's cash. Holy crap, there's cash in this drawer. Look, okay. Now you can use that if you're behind somebody that has cash, but usually people just don't. So they say, would you like to use your credit card, sir? Go ahead and swipe it for you. Oh, you swiped it the wrong way. You have to turn it around. And you're embarrassed, and everybody behind just kind of snickering. Okay, your total's $15,555.48. Next customer. Have a pumpkin. Have some wheat flour. Ooh, ice cream. And some steak. I'm coming home with them. Let's see what's in the back of your cart. Oh, some fish and corn, a croissant, a radish, and a grape. Let's add that all up now. Let's see, 90. See, it gives you prices here too. You don't pay attention to them, you just poke them in. Okay. That'll be $8,460.66. Here's your check. Would you like to donate $1 to the poor and needy that have no arms or legs? No? Okay. Then I'll take my next customer, please. Meat, sugar, yogurt, broccoli, tomatoes, cheese, carrot, milk. Very sensible. This must be an older person. Okay, because it's too sensible for a normal person. Like, where's the, where's the Boost drink? Or where's the caffeinated candy? And where's all the candy and stuff? So, but anyhow, let's ring them up. Okay, that'll be $310.96. You saved a total of $12.76 today. Congratulations. And thank you for shopping at Michelle's. Have a magical day. See, that was fun. I like the name of it. It's Happy. I thought it was Hope. Hope Bank.
Inflationary prices.
Huh?
Yeah, I bought 20 groceries. I paid $15,000.
I need magnets, honey, for the big kind, for the back of my phone. I bought some and I accidentally bought the wrong size. They aren't expensive. I'll have to look up his Amazon. I think I need like 3 or 2, 1, 2, probably 3-inch circle. On my tablet and on my phone.
Is
They
your phone
keep
right
falling. Yeah.
Good idea. Did you put a banana today?
What?
Did you put a banana today?
I had a half a banana. Why?
I'm just, it's funny that, I'll tell you later.
Okay. Well, the whole thing is 2.5 or 2. So, and my phone is 3 wide, so I need about 2.5. I I gotta put ice in this drink.
Now remember, make sure it doesn't cover your lens.
What?
The magnet.
Oh, I know. See, it didn't take long, did it? Told you to stay out there.
I wouldn't consider much of a lie, it's only like in the middle.
They're about 2 1/4 inch wide.